And the race is on Alamid from the outside. And moving up by the rail, Haywire firm grip. Ting Tang is racing in the middle. Alamid, Haywire, Lakey's Way down on the inside. Firm grip racing fourth, racing 15 Tang. On a Rose racing 6 by Sam, 2 lengths down on the inside. Kay Maki. Good Humor alongside Grand Homer, Golden Hana, and Spanish Drums is running at the tail of the field. Alamid by a length and a half. Lake is way down on the inside. Firm grip is racing in third. Haywire and Ting Tang. Rounding the far turn, Alamid by some 2 lengths. Firm grip. Lake is way here where Ting Tang Grand Homer is racing in 6 at this moment as they race the final corner. Alamid by some 3 lengths. Firm grip is now running in second, and Grand Homer is racing 13 Tang on a road. Sky Maki Lake is way, and in the last 50 meters, it's all entry number 8, Alamid. Firm grip, Grand Homer, Ting Tang, Kay Maki, and for your super sa is number 5, on a roll.